This young woman with Down syndrome saw everyone doing this popular dance trend and decided she wanted to join in. She didn't know it, but with her incredible confidence, she was about to deliver the best version of this trend on the internet. But before we show you her legendary performance, if your phone means more to you than your mom, just keep scrolling. But if she's the reason you smile, then stop for a second. Like, subscribe, share this video, and fill the comments with red hearts to show her how much you really love her. She and her big sister didn't win because of the dance. They won because their connection is what truly moves people.